Today I am popping my new thermostat in the greenhouse as I want to see what the overnight temperatures are going to be now that we're finally getting winter. As you can see, we finally got snow. We've gone a month and a half without snow. It's been dry, it's been warm, and it's -8 outside Celsius, and it's finally nice. It's winter. So we're gonna go in here in the glass windows greenhouse. As you can see, nothing really to look at right now, but I'm just popping in the thermostat right beside my little ink bird here. You can see it's 2.5 degrees Celsius in here, and the heater's not even on, and it's -8 outside. So it's not doing too bad in here. I did double insulate the windows with some poly, as you can see, just to keep the heat in here and try not lose as much heat. So we're just gonna see if I can start putting stuff in here soon. If I could put some cold crops in here in the next few weeks and get them out of my basement, then that would be ideal. So thermostat is now right there, and I'll be able to monitor it from my app there. So hopefully that goes well. I'll show you a little bit around the garden. Covered in snow, but I have a 4-foot by 4-foot raised bed over there, and there's my crazy raspberry bushes there. Is Paparuski, Alvina. Then we have my new raised beds that I put in last year. 4-foot by 6-foot and a 4-foot by 12-foot. I put these new archways in as well, 2 of them. And then of course I have still the old wooden one. Garlic's planted over in the corner there, and this is all my flower raised bed by the pool. And a little walk over here, you can see in these cylinder bricks I have strawberries. And over here there is more strawberries planted in there. And then I have my 2 new 16-foot by 4-foot raised metal beds and a 4-foot by 4-foot round. This bed right here, I have garlic planted in half of it. I'm not sure what I'll plant in the other half. And then of course there's my tomato garden over here. I'm using a bin right now to block the fence because there's a hole in the fence. So that's why that's there. In this tomato garden, it is 17 feet by 7 feet, and I fit about 30 tomato plants spaced at 2 feet in each direction. And I have them in 4 plants per row. Then over there last year, I planted a bunch of ground cherries at the very end. Everything, as you can see, is on drip irrigation, so that's nice as well. So that is only part of my raised bed. I cannot wait to get planting, but of course we have to wait until it of course warms up. So probably in about a month from now, I'll be starting to plant some seeds underneath the hoop for my cold crops. But thermostat's in the greenhouse, and we'll see if I can start putting stuff in there soon. Hope you all have a good day. Thanks for watching.